Hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Wanda. Hi. In today's video, I'll be using this reflective adhesive vinyl from TeckWrap. This is a new collection that they have. The collection consists of 11 colors, 5 by 12 rolls, and also 12 by 82 rolls. So in front of me, I have 7 rolls, which I'll be using for today's video. With that being said, let's head over to Design Space. Once you're in Design Space, click on New Project, on Blank Canvas, and then on Upload. And now you'll just find your design. I'm going to go to View All, and I'm going to scroll down till I find my design. And once you find it, just click on it, Add to Canvas, and then View. Once you have it here, you'll just resize the image to the size you need. You can resize it by pulling on a corner and moving your mouse in, or you can just go up to the panel and put the size there. Now, I'll be using 7 different colors of vinyl, so I'm going to duplicate this 7 times. Now, I'll just be separating each one to the side, and I'll be changing the colors on each one. I could probably use the same mat to layer my different color vinyls, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'll be putting each one on a different color mat. I'll use colors that are similar to the color vinyls I'll be using so that you have a better idea. So here I have a green vinyl. I'll change this to a green neon color. And then I'll change this one and I'll make it red. I'll change the next one to orange. I'll make the next one white. Now we need a gray color. And then this one will be black. And lastly, we need a rainbow color, so I'll just choose a dark blue or purplish. Now remember, this doesn't really make any difference. I'm just using it so that I know what color vinyl to put on the mat each time I need to cut one of the designs. And now we're ready to cut our vinyl. So click on Make. You can save this as a project if you like. I will not be saving it. And now you'll choose to work on a mat. Click on Continue. And as you can see, here we have our 7 different color mats. Click on Continue. And before selecting the cut setting, let's go cut our vinyl. For each color vinyl, I'll be cutting a piece 4 by 5. And that's the size I made my design. I'll be cutting this to size just to make sure I don't waste any vinyl. As for a mat, I'll be using this Strong Tech mat from TeckWrap. So let's start cutting our vinyl. I want to mention that TeckWrap says this material can be used on any smooth surface. It's durable enough to withstand the elements of rain and snow without fading or peeling. To cut my vinyl, I'll be using permanent vinyl setting. Since I'll be cutting 7 different mats, I'll click on Remember Material Setting. This way, in between mats, I don't have to go back and forth. You will notice this is a big game changer when you do this. As I mentioned, this vinyl is available in 11 different colors in 12 by 5 rolls or 12 by 82. All right, so we have vinyl here. I'll be doing a test with this one, and I'll just record on fast mode the rest. And to do my weeding, I'll be using this TeckWrap pin pen, which has become my favorite. Now, the material on this vinyl is a little bit strong, so I'm going to make sure I go very slowly I want to make sure I don't pull up anything that doesn't need to come off. As for the weeding, the vinyl is coming off of the carrier sheet smoothly. Now remember, this is a very intricate design, so I need to make sure my letters stay on the carrier sheet. As to for the remaining of this design or this decal, I'll just continue to weed it, and then I'll put in fast mode the remaining 6, so you don't have to sit and watch all of this weeding. Although some people say they like to watch the weeding process. One of the reasons why I like to use this TeckWrap weeding pin pen is because it can really get into small spots where you need to do difficult weeding. It really makes it super easy to get any small pieces out versus having to use a weeding tool. And we're almost done with this one. As I mentioned, I'll be putting the camera on fast mode just so that I can get through the rest of the weeding quicker. I want to mention that the reflective silver vinyl has a protective film over it, protecting, so make sure to take this off. Otherwise, it's not gonna cut through. Once you take this off, you will notice a beautiful glittery vinyl. Now that we got through all of these vinyls, this is the last one I'll be weeding. Overall, all of these vinyls were not hard to weed at all. Can't wait to see the results on all of these. I purposely did the same design for all of these different color vinyls just because I want to see the reflection on each one. So I'll be adjusting my camera so you can see better. And I'll be turning my lights off in 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, this is beautiful. How beautiful is this vinyl? There you have each vinyl roll with each decal. And lastly, I want to mention that you can use this TeckWrap transfer tape to transfer this decal onto your car. I'll be heading downstairs so that we can test this one out with the car lights and see how that goes. Alright, and this is how it looks outside in the dark with a flashlight on. This is how it looks from far away. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a like. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.